Hello students, so in this video I have covered all the remaining kinds of pronoun. Okay, so in remaining kinds of pronoun, the first one was interrogative pronoun. What? The first one was interrogative pronoun. Interrogative. What? Interrogative. What do you mean by interrogative? I hope you have heard the word interrogate. Police generally use this word interrogate. What do you mean by word interrogate? If police is standing here and police arrest anyone, and like this is the culprit, okay, and police is just asking him by just, or we can say just punishing him, beating him and asking him something, we can say he is interrogating him or asking some questions from him. What? Asking some questions from him. So we can say interrogation is going on. What we can say? Interrogation is going on. Okay, so interrogative. In interrogative pronoun, we ask question. What? We ask questions. Okay, so I hope we have cleared the doubt of this interrogative pronoun in which we ask question. Okay, so we will take an example. What is your name? What? Simple, the simplest. What is your name? The easiest example which I can give is what is your name. What is your name is very pretty much simple example, and in this example, what is your name? What is interrogative pronoun? What is interrogative pronoun? I hope interrogative pronoun is just clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt in the comment box. Okay, so the next is emphatic pronoun. What? The next is emphatic pronoun. In emphatic pronoun, we lay stress. What? We lay stress on subject. What? We lay stress on subject that what is done by the subject. Like what? What is done by the subject. What is done by the subject. We lay stress on it. ओके, इस सब्जेक्ट में क्या करा है, एंड जो इसके आंसर्स होते हैं, द आंसर्स, और वी कैन से द एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन इज इन सेल्फ्स. व्हाट इज इन सेल्फ्स? इन सेल्फ्स और सेल्फ्स, बाय माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, लाइक दिस एग्जाम्पल्स आर. सो वी विल लुक एट एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दिस. द एग्जाम्पल वुड बी वेरी मच सिंपल. व्हाट? यू कैन ऑल्सो रीड दिस एग्जाम्पल इन एनी ऑफ द बुक विच यू हैव ऑफ ग्रामर. Okay, so he himself is responsible for the failure. What? He himself is responsible for the failures. What? He himself is responsible for the failures. He himself is responsible for the failures. He himself is responsible for the failure. So himself will be emphatic pronoun because subject जो है वो ले कर रहा है stress को किस पे? himself पे, कि he himself, उसने खुद नहीं. Okay, so like this. So this was emphatic pronoun, and after emphatic pronoun is just similar to reflexive pronoun. What? It is just similar to reflexive pronoun, but I will tell you a basic difference amongst them. As from the name of the reflexive pronoun, is it clear that here also selves or in self, it will be in selves and in self, but and in emphatic pronoun there was also selves or in self, but the basic difference between them is that in reflexive pronoun the subject, what the subject has done, it will reflect on him. What the subject has done, it will reflect, because reflects on him only. What? It reflects on him. Okay, so for this we will take an example. As you can see in your book, the example is given to you of Piyush taught himself only. What? Piyush taught himself only. As we have Piyush here, so Piyush is the subject, and what he did, he reflects himself, like Piyush taught himself only. So there was a reflection, or we can say the verb was reflected on him only. Okay, so himself will be used, himself, myself. So these kinds of things are used in this. Okay, so moving to next. So reflection has been completed and emphatic is also completed. So after this, only two is left to us. This the first is indefinite pronoun. What do you mean by indefinite pronoun? We will learn about indefinite pronoun in it. In this pronoun, indefinite pronoun, like from the name, indefinite means it is not defined. What? It is not defined. किसी की तरफ इशारा नहीं करा जा रहा. It is not defined to us. Okay. So if there are many people in the queue, there are many people, and in distributive I have told you about. In distributive, each word was used there. Each, and one out of many people. What? In distributive, याद है आपको distributive pronoun? In distributive pronoun, one out of many people. One out of many people will be like each of them, each. Like this was used, but this is just opposite to it. Indefinite is just opposite to distributive. What? It is just opposite, because in indefinite, what we have to use, like this pronoun refers to the people in general. It refers to people in general. What? Refers to people in general. It is not talking about any specific person or specific group of people. It is just saying a thing, or we can say just indicate people generally. What? It indicate generally. Okay, so what is the example? Many have raised their voice. Example is this: many have raised their voice. Okay, many have raised their voice. So this was the example of that. Many have, because it is not clarified in it who has raised their voice. It was tell that many means it is in general. It is not about any topic or any purpose or any person. It is in general. And the last which is left to us is possessive pronoun. What? The last is possessive pronoun. I hope you understand all the concepts of that. But the last but not the least is left to us, that is possessive pronoun. So what do you mean by possessive pronoun? In possessive pronoun, it shows us possession. What? It shows us possession. What do you mean by possession? Possession means ownership. What possession means? It means ownership of anything. Ownership. That the object, the body or the thing belongs to whom. जो चीजें हैं वो किसकी हैं? It reflects. Okay. So from the example we can understand it in a more good manner. Who can copy your style of speaking? Who can copy? This is the example. Who can copy your style of speaking? Okay, so who can copy? Who can copy your style? What? Who can copy your style? किसका स्टाइल है? Your style. आप तुम्हारा स्टाइल. Okay, so your style. Who can copy your style? So your will be here possessive pronoun. Okay, so taking more examples. I met 3 teammates of yours in the club. I met 3 teammates. Three teammates of yours in the club. Okay, so I met 3 teammates. I met your 3 teammates your 3 teammates in the club. I meet 3 teammates of yours in the club. किसके मिले हैं? yours. So yours will be here possessive pronoun. What? It will be possessive pronoun. So I hope you are not having any doubt related to pronoun. If you are having any doubt, you can comment your doubt below. If you are not having any doubt, you can comment no doubt here. Okay, so you also know that if you are having any doubt, you can ask. You can WhatsApp also on the PTM group, and you can also ask in the live classes, which will held Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Time will be as usual 10:30 to 11:10 AM. Okay, so thank you student for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.